Hi, it's Marc again, back in the lab at VoIP Supply, and I'm here to talk about Fanvil's newest flagship enterprise IP phone, the X210. It's got 3 screens. We've been really excited to bring this to you. Let's take a look. Alright, starting off with the X210 by Fanvil, we have 3 screens. They're color. The main screen is 4.3 inch, and the 2 smaller screens are 3.5 inch. And you'll notice that there's 3 pages you can cycle through with these buttons, and each one lights up to let you know which one you're on. All of the buttons on the phone are intuitively laid out and well spaced. It's very easy to dial. This phone supports 20 SIP lines, 3-way conference, HD audio, built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi capability with a USB dongle, and supports video H.264 if you're going to call any sort of video device like a IP camera with SIP capability. You can do that. When looking at these smaller screens, we have 42 individual LED lit keys. It gives us a total of 106 DSS keys. Something kind of unique about the Fanvil X210 is its ability to do what they call Hotspot. And what Hotspot is allowing multiple Fanvil phones to register as satellite phones using multicast so that the phones can call each other without the use of a phone system. And you can also share calls where a call would go into your main phone and then distribute out to your satellite phones, all using this hotspot feature. Okay, getting in with a closer look at the keys and the actual functions of the phone, you can see it has pretty much every feature most SIP phones have, but it's very well laid out, easy to find. We have our basic features like directory, voicemail, hold, transfer, volume, mute, speakerphone, and of course you have your regular keypad, and you have a directional pad like you'll find on other phones. And looking at the back of the phone, you can see Fanvil's very pretty logo and this very nice looking stand. The stand's actually reversible, pretty easy to swap out. It changes the angle. We also see our 2 gigabit ports. We have a power port if you're not going to be using PoE. Yes, this supports PoE. We also have a headset port and of course your handset port. On the side we have our USB port, which is used for call recording and for that Wi-Fi dongle if you need Wi-Fi connectivity with your Fanvil X210. Okay, a few more things with the Fanvil X210, a couple of my favorite features and some interesting quirks. For one, it supports OpenVPN, which is really great when you don't want the NSA listening to what you're saying. Also, it has a built-in firewall. You can build firewall rules in the phone. I haven't seen that before, so actually pretty cool. And it has really cool built-in troubleshooting tools. You can do a live view of what the phone's doing, which is really great if a user is complaining of any kind of issues and you need to do a live debug of what's going on the phone. Again, this is Marc at VoIP Supply, and we're really excited to bring you the X210. You can find it at voipsupply.com, and when you play the game of phones, you either win or you dial. Thanks for watching.